Hello, in this video I will show you how to perform a hard reset through settings on Motorola S50 Neo. So you have to start by opening your settings application and then scroll down and click on System. Now click on Reset Options, then click on Erase All Data Factory Reset and click on Erase All Data again. Now you have to enter your lock screen pattern and click on Erase All Data again. And now you have to wait while your device is being resetted. And now your device is back into its factory settings, and as you can see I have to do a phone setup all over again. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.